I'm back. Today I am going to show you how to do this glitter cut crease. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you like this look. If you have any questions, please comment. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? So yeah, so let's get into this tutorial. Glitter, I did buy the glitter from the store Miss A, where everything's $1. I bought the eyebrow wonder brow thing. This is how the glitter looks. This is $1. Let me look for the eyebrow. Oh, the eyebrow dip that I used is this one. It's an ebony. The highlighter as well, I did buy it from the Miss A store. So yeah, technically like the liner, the glitter, the eyebrows, and the highlighter are from that store. Everything is $1. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows with the AOA Wonder Brow. Okay, so I am going to use this color for the first top part. Now I'm going to use the darker one right there. Then I'm gonna get this color. For my black, I'm going to get the NYX Sex Bomb palette, or my bad, Sex Bomb palette. There you go. And I'm just gonna get the black right here. Now we are going to go into our cut crease. I'm going to use the AOA Studio, the eyeshadow primer. I did buy this at the Miss A store, so I'm just gonna dab some on my hand. And I'm going to grab a flat brush. I'm just gonna do my crease. This primer does dry really fast, so what I do is I just grab some of this, like, you know, and just put it on, and just grab the loose powder, and this one's in the color Crystal. Okay, and this one's from the store Miss A as well. So I just grab a flat brush. I'm gonna grab the E123 from AOA, and I'm just gonna pat it. And just be careful, it is messy, so just tap it or tap it. And I'm going to finish off with the tail. I forgot where I put my primer. But yeah, if you can see, I do have little sparkles. It's messy, guys. Just be careful. For the eyeliner, I am going to use the, it's called a Muse. I did get it at the Miss A store as well. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna grab this color and I'm just going to go over it one more time, like so, and then I'm going to grab the black one from the Sex Bomb palette, this one right there, and I'm just gonna go over the crease like so, and I'm just gonna blend it. Like that. For the lower part of my lashes, I used this one all the way, and I used the black one for right here. So I'm just gonna do my eyelashes and my face and my lips. Okay guys, so I did buy this one as well at the Miss A store, and I'm pretty excited just because. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna slide it through all the colors. for $1. It's worth it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.